Here at T-Mobile, we want new and existing customers to save money in a simple, secure, and more sustainable way. Our phone trade-in program was developed to do just that. Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're talking about the amazing benefits you'll get when you trade in your existing phone. Let's take a look. Now, trading in your phone with T-Mobile enables you to put the value of that trade-in towards a new phone, accessories, an account credit, or to unlock one of our awesome trade-in promotions. So stop trying to sell your old phones on your own and trade in with us. Promotion eligibility is determined by which phone you're trading in, its condition, and the rate plan you're currently on. Now, I'm sure you've got questions. Our T-Mobile team is available to answer all of them in-store at Tmobile.com and through our award-winning customer care team. I know you're excited, and I bet you want to know how to trade in your phone. Don't worry, it's super simple. All you'll need is your IMEI, which can be found in the settings menu or by pressing *#06# in your phone's dialer. You'll also need to share what condition your current phone is in. Just follow the video link in the description below and we'll show you how to check it out. It can't be any easier than that, right? Now, I know what you're thinking next. What about all of my contacts, text messages, pictures? Don't worry. Once you get your new device, you can transfer your data over safely and securely. And here's a pro tip. You can save some time by backing up your data in advance to iCloud for Apple users or to Google One for Android users. If you don't know how, we can help you out with that too. Then you'll erase all your information off your old phone before handing it in to us by performing a master reset. We'll show you how in our How to Trade in Your Phone video, also linked below. Now, in addition to saving money on your new phone, keeping your old phone out of the landfill will go a long ways towards being kind to the environment. So don't let your old phones live out their days in a drawer or landfill. Trade in with T-Mobile, get some new stuff, and we'll recycle the old one. T-Mobile's here to help new and existing customers save money in a simple, secure, and sustainable way. And our phone trade-in program is developed to help you do just that. Now, don't forget, you can trade in your phone at your favorite T-Mobile store, or you can take care of it online at Tmobile.com. Now, let me know when you trade in your old phone by dropping a comment below. I want to know what you're giving up. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for another great video about phone trade-ins and more coming up next.